To start many crochet projects, first you need to create a slip knot. To create a slip knot, you leave about 6 inches of yarn tail, and you'll put all the yarn tail in your left hand, and the yarn that is coming out of the ball is called the working yarn. So you'll wrap the working yarn around the tail end of the yarn and make a loop. Pinch where the two yarns meet. Put your hand through the loop and pull up the working yarn. And there you have it, a slip knot that is ready to start making your foundation chain. So you could pull on the working yarn to get the loop to be a much smaller loop, and you insert your needle inside that loop, that first loop, and know that you have your tail end out of the way. You're ready to make your first chain.